This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2910BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 8, oven, skylight, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, TV antenna, slide-out, smoke detector, stove-top burner, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2910BH is 7,087 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.